Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 10 chapter number 3 acid weights and salts. So we already know that this is a chapter 3 but by mistake it is written 2. So I'm really sorry for this because this is a something printing mistake, not a printing, typing mistake is it there. Okay, so here we are going to see all the important question of MCQ here. This is especially for the Telangana State Board and Andhra State Board. So let's just start here and see this. Okay, bleaching powder is represented by formula. So it is something interesting paper here. Okay, now because when you go to your board public examination, they will ask you mostly this type of question only, but in the MCQ or general question they will ask you 20 marks is MCQ, and for your external and internal knowledge you can know about this one. Okay, so you can see 17 and 21 also. The acid form in the stomach is pH vaginators and something. Okay, then here you can see this is the answer set here. Okay, so till 2 to 20 this is the answer set here. You can easily see from here, right? So I hope is it clear for you. You don't have any kinds of doubt here, and if you're looking for the previous year question paper, model paper and most important question paper, okay, so just click on the description, and in the description is just click on the description and you can check out from there. Okay, so we will meet another video. Jai Hind.